An as-built drawing is a detailed representation of a construction project as it was actually completed, as opposed to how it was originally planned or designed. During the construction process, changes often occur due to unforeseen site conditions, modifications requested by the client, or alterations made for compliance with regulations. As-built drawings capture all of these adjustments, documenting the exact locations, dimensions, and specifications of every component in the finished structure. Post-construction, as-built drawings play a pivotal role in the overall life cycle of a building or infrastructure. They serve as the definitive reference for what was actually built, which is crucial for several reasons. For audits, these drawings provide verifiable documentation that the project meets design intent and regulatory requirements, helping to avoid costly disputes or compliance issues. Auditors rely on accurate as-built records to confirm that safety protocols, zoning laws, and other standards have been met. Maintenance teams depend heavily on as-built drawings to perform their duties efficiently. With precise information on the location of pipes, electrical conduits, HVAC systems, and other hidden elements, they can troubleshoot problems, plan repairs, and carry out routine maintenance without unnecessary guesswork or destructive exploration. This not only saves time and money, but also reduces the risk of accidental damage to critical building systems. When it comes to future upgrades or renovations, as-built drawings are indispensable. Architects, engineers, and contractors use them to understand existing conditions, assess structural capacity, and design modifications that integrate seamlessly with the original construction. Without accurate as-built documentation, any changes or improvements would be far more complex, risky, and expensive. Ultimately, as-built drawings are more than just a record. They are a foundation for the ongoing stewardship of any built asset. They ensure that owners, operators, and future project teams have the information they need to manage, maintain, and improve facilities for years to come.